How long already exist? Robotic factories, automated warehouses, 3D printing. Not so long ago, they started automate such things like cashiers, waiters, customer service. And you still think nothing will happen in the future? I cannot believe that you believe in this, because they start automate drivers, waiters, journalists. Let's talk today what we will do when AI start be very strong. What is our place in this world when AI can replace us? Why it's possible? Why it's problem? Already in 1980, companies start tell employees that you need to have some basic computer skills like work with text editors, spreadsheets and ML. In 1990, company said, now we have internet. You need to know some internet knowledges about browsers and other online tools. In the 2000s, you already should know how to use social networks, how to communicate with customers using this, access information. In 2010s, with the rise of AI and automation, companies start looking for more software developers, data analysts, and people who have some machine learning skills. And just think what you need to know about 40 years ago and what you need to know now, how computer and AI is important right now. Anyway, we have such problems that every new year, better that you will have more knowledges. And after sometimes, if you don't know something, they can easily fire you or they can easily replace you. Already 50 years ago, they start to replace people. Machine now working. Did you wait that the machine can replace you in customer service? Usually you need to talk with someone to understand what's the problem. You need to talk with someone to understand what to do, how to solve it. But now, automated bots, some AI assistants can easily help you. I think we have three options what we can do to be ready for the future when AI really can replace everyone. First option is very optimistic point of view. We can hope that in the future AI will help us, can improve us. So we don't need to be afraid that AI will replace us. And already right now, if you didn't use it, start to use free versions of some platform. And if you will understand, oh, now I use it every day or every 2 days, think about to buy subscription for it, because with subscription you will get better quality. And what already you can do, you can personalize your online experience. I'm talking about recommendations. If you need translation, you already can translate it in some services like Google or others, it's not so bad. But sometimes online translators, they don't understand the context, sometimes they can confuse. And AI can give you better translation because AI can understand the context better. And sometimes you need to write someone something and you think, oh, how to find the words, which words will be better. In such cases, AI can help you too. Just write request and AI will give you some options and just choose what is better for you. Replacement for Google. Sometimes if you want to find someone in Google, what you need to do, you need to enter something into the search bar. After you need to click on special link. You need to find something, sometimes an articles which you read not so good, and you need to go back, choose another link and continue read until you will find what you need. In such cases, you just need to use AI assistant. You will understand when it will be better to use Google and it will be better to use AI assistant. Just start to do it. If you need to find something, or you need some explanation, try to ask AI assistant. If you need some help with coding or infrastructure or operation system problems, you also can use AI. It's also good ideas generator. Just enter the topic name and you will get many different ideas. As a psychologist or another cheap version of expert, you also can use AI. But remember, sometimes in some questions, better to find real expert. For example, if you need doctor, better to consult with doctor, of course, not with AI version. But if you have no other choices, I think AI not so bad. Also, if you need to solve some not big problem, you need some another point of view, you also can ask ChatGPT, it can help you with reflection or something like that. I'm sure that some of my viewers already use AI. If you know some cases and you already use AI in such cases which no one can imagine, and you think, oh, why no one do this already? Share in the comments specific cases which help to you. Maybe you know something special in what can help AI, but no one do it. It was first option, just very positive point of view. So AI will just help us and it will not replace us. Second option is a little bit more scary. not like third one, but anyway, it's possible that some people will lose their jobs. Yeah, AI will replace, but not everyone, some types of jobs. I cannot say you which jobs will it be, because what we thought about a few years ago, software developers will be needed every time. Last one who will replace it will be software developers. But some AI platforms already can write code very good. The two most popular already write code very good. And I'm thinking about, already for me, like a software developer, I'm thinking about to change my job maybe in the future. Or not just, I will prepare, for example, already go to some courses or something, but I'm thinking that software developers not so safety position. And by my opinion, generally for this option, you need to choose yourself. You need to imagine what will happen in the future, which jobs will be useless in the future because AI can replace it. Why I don't want to tell you which profession will be still needed, because when I start to write this scenario for this video, I thought robots cannot replace your personality. But maybe right now no, but in the nearest future it will be possible. Also, why for example, someone needs your personality, they can create new personality. Maybe AI will start generate everything. And maybe for humanity will not matter was it generated by AI or is it real. Because now we usually understand and a little bit think, it's AI generated, I'm not interested to listen this, or not interested to listen this or reading this because it's AI generated. I want to read or listen something what was created by people. But maybe it's because now we can understand what will happen in the future, we don't know. But it will be not good if I will not give you some list of jobs or professions. In the description of video you can find link to my Telegram channel to post where I will try to gauss which profession will be still needed, and also why I cannot talk about it on YouTube, because some of them may be too extravagant for this platform. So just go to video description, tap to link and read in Telegram. Third option, my favorite, I call it the end of humanity. You can say, end of humanity, you are too pessimistic. Who knows? I just tried to gauss. Just imagine, some companies start to replace every job. Every new month, some jobs will be useless because AI can replace you. What will happen in the end? No one will work, especially some directors or some CTOs who most important in company, but who said that in the future AI cannot know how to be ahead of company better. We have some chances with Neuralink, but about it in some other videos. So just imagine, you sit at home without money, robots work there, and I'm sure that AI will be able to develop itself. And we only can gauss, will AI think that humanity is some problem for it? Or will be just some type of life which will be useless and they will not care about us? But already they will replace all professions. Maybe it will be good if AI one day will think, I have nothing to do on planet Earth, and hopefully it will go away. But who knows what will happen? Maybe they will start thinking, humanity is the big problem, like virus of this planet, and Earth is better place where we can live, and they will start exterminate every of us. In this option, I recommend you to stock up on ammo and EMP grenade. It's better than do nothing. I think this option what will happen in the future, but not so near. I think our generation still have time, but next one, I'm not sure. So if you will start to keep some ammo, it will help your children, or no one if you don't have children or you don't want. You may be more lucky. The conclusions, it seems to me, are disappointing. I don't want to say that this humanity is finished, but you just need to know that AI last time became stronger and stronger. And it's more smart every day, every month. They add some additional billions of billions neurons, and it starts to work better. Already the job market is changing, but no one can say for sure what will happen. Usually in my videos like this, I recommend you not to bet on something. I'm usually against betting philosophy, but now I think it's better in such question you need to do it. If in the future we will understand that I was wrong, I will be very happy because I want humanity to live. Why I care? But it looks like the development of civilization create new rules in this world. Before, the man was the king of beasts, but today we have some additional type of life, and AI said, man, move over. If you don't want to be like your grandmother asking, what the kind of button is this? So already you need to start prepare for future. The minimum what you need to know how to use AI in your life. Or you can figure out which profession will still be needed in the future. And if it's not your profession, maybe start thinking about how to master the necessary profession. Or, like me, start stock up on ammo and EMP grenade to proudly oppose the AI dogma. I'm kidding, or not. In the video description you can find links to my other social networks or link to my website. There you can find ways in which you can donate to me. This will help me better prepare for the apocalypse. I hope the video was useful for you. Bye bye.